What's up, guys? I came out to front wheel drive performance. Today is a dyno day. Actually, if you remember from another video, I had these guys work on the neon, and we're gonna just do some pulls on the dyno. It's not horsepower pulls. I am Jordan tuned, so we're gonna send him some dyno logs because right now I just have the base BM3 tune, actually a custom tune from Carey, but we're gonna get actually a refined tune after we get these pulls. So John was nice enough to say, hey, bring it on up, we'll strap it down to the dyno, even though what he normally does is pretty much neon. So as you can see, they are like king of the SRT4s, but we're gonna put the M4 on the dyno today. So this should be pretty cool, actually. I'll probably just do a really quick video. This might even just go on Instagram, actually, of a couple pulls. I want to hear the noise this thing makes with my Remus exhaust. It should be pretty cool. So we got old girl strapped in and she's ready to go. And that's actually pretty nerve-wracking a little bit, obviously, to strap it down to a dyno, especially a lift dyno, because this dyno isn't in the ground. So it's a little bit more complex, but it's lined up. Got the handheld ready. I hope, Mr. Jordan, you're ready to tune this bad boy, because we're about to do some crazy pulls. I want to see what kind of noise it makes. I still don't have a mic for my camera, and that's one thing I need to invest in, because I really want you guys to hear how the exhaust sound. With the new pure turbos on there, it's like pure, no pun intended, turbo whistle. The stock turbos, when I went with my exhaust, you could hear a little bit of turbo, but now it is stupid loud. So hopefully we get a little bit of that on the camera for you guys. And if you're wearing headphones, please be careful. So we just finished. I was a little disappointed with the number, I have to be honest. But the good thing is, Carey warned me, said this is just a base tune, gonna have to refine it. So I did a couple third gear pulls. That's what John did for me. We did 3 of them. Then we do the 4th gear dyno pull. And I was excited. It hit the number that I thought it would hit, but I'm gonna share the numbers when I'm finished. When I actually get the refined tune back from Carey. That's when we'll load everything up, we'll put it back on the dyno and see what that does. So we kind of got a baseline number. That was a good idea that John had to say, hey, at least you'll know what the difference is between this base tune and what exactly you get when you get your refined tune. So this video it's gonna be hopefully a series of videos where we get to see the power climb on the build, to see how fast or how much power we can make on the M4 until it blows up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.